What's going on, YouTube, man? Round two. Today we're gonna do the Kit Kat. I'm gonna call it a Kit Kat challenge because it's definitely a challenge for me. Again, these are Kit Kat flavors in Japan. So no, I don't know what flavor most of these are. So the first one will be whatever that say. Yeah, that right there. The next one I can only think is going to be like wheat cracker, wheat thin, maybe, I don't know. And then the dreadful, just horrible. More white chocolate. As I know from the first one, I hate white chocolate. And then we have strawberry. I think this is going to be super sweet. That's what I was going last. So let's go ahead and get number one. Cool black packaging. I don't know if this is on the last one, but like it say little good job, have a break on it. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me up a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Smells like a regular Kit Kat. Not bad. I actually like these. Let me not say that because that green one, that one kicked in kind of late. But there's no flavor, just like a regular Kit Kat. I wish I knew Japanese and know what flavor this is. It's pretty good though. Um, Something I didn't do last video I should have did is rate them. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it an 8. I give it an 8 only because I feel like there's gonna be something in it. I'm not gonna lie. Next is gonna be, I guess, like I said, the cracker ones. I don't know. Brown package. I hope this isn't white chocolate. I hope it's not. I hope they just joking. That's not bad. It's not that bad. The wafer part actually tastes like a cracker. It must be good because I'm still eating it. So there we go. I actually get these a 9, maybe 10. I still feel like that's white chocolate, but I don't know. And on to, which I know for a fact is white chocolate. I know it is. My stomach is already turning. It's white chocolate. It's white chocolate. I'm doing this for y'all. Who came up with white chocolate? Like, ugh. I like the wafer part. Five. I'm not even gonna waste my time. Who came up with white chocolate? Who came up with it? Strawberry. That's nasty. Oh my god. Woo! That was instant. If you ever had the strawberry wafers, that's all it really is. It also tastes like the strawberry whoppers. Whoopers, whatever you call it. Just drop them down below. I'll try to find them. I know Santee said something about the wasabi Kit Kats. I'll try to find those. There's not many flavors on base, but off base, I'm pretty sure I can find some. Just let me know. Smitty out.